Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Lakeisha Parnell with your weather for today. We'll see clouds continue throughout today and into tomorrow, increasing chances of rain, as well as we're going to take a look at Tropical Storm Harvey to see where it's headed. As we take a look at Fairhope Pier, we see that the temperature is 77 degrees. We have overcast skies and the roads are still wet. So make sure that you leave in plenty enough time to get to your destination safely. Now taking a look at Harvey, as we can see, it's over here in Louisiana. It's right now 45 miles per hour with wind gusts up until 60 miles per hour. It is going to start taking a northeast kind of path at 8 miles per hour, so it's going to be moving rather slow. So that means we're still going to see some rain for the next couple of days. As the path shows, we'll see some more rain going into Arkansas and Mississippi, as well into the Tennessee Valley, and even as far north as Kentucky, we'll see some rain as well. This morning, looking at the radar, we do have some heavy rains over here in Mobile. That was around 7 o'clock this morning. But as you see, Harvey is right out here over in Louisiana, and it is going to start moving its way slowly into our area and bringing some more moisture as well as plenty of rain for the next couple of days. Taking a closer look at the regional Doppler radar, this morning at 8 o'clock, we had some heavy downpours. That's where you see the yellows and the reds over here in Mobile. But around this afternoon, it's when it'll start actually clearing out of our area and start moving towards the east. Right now, we are under a slight risk. So that does mean that we'll still have some rain and it could be heavy. We might even have a couple tornado warnings as well in our area. Those are still possible. Our current alerts right here in Mobile, right now we're just looking at flash flood warnings and flood warnings as well. So make sure that you heed to the warnings that are going out. Our high-res futurecast, we'll see that the most of the heavy rains are going to be to our east. Daphne and over in Gulf Shores are going to have some torrential downpours. But over here in Mobile, we are still having some rain, but it's not as bad as it was this morning. Moving on to this evening, the rain is going to start moving closer and closer towards the Florida Panhandle and out of our way. We are still having some rains as far as tomorrow morning around 8 o'clock in the morning. But as you see, going into Friday, it's just going to be hot, muggy. We are still at a higher percentage of rain, but not so much as it was earlier this morning. Our daily planner starts at 1 o'clock. You'll see temperatures around 81 degrees, and it's going to stay the same until about 4 o'clock this evening. So that hot, muggy weather is going to be here all day, finishing out the day at around 8 o'clock with 80 degrees as well. Tonight, we are still seeing that rain. It's going to be around 75 degrees with winds out of the east at 15 miles per hour. And taking a look at tomorrow, and we're going to have some stormy conditions. The temperature for tomorrow is going to be looking around 85 degrees with southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our 3-day forecast, we do still see that 80% chance on tomorrow, as well as going into Friday. We'll still have those stormy conditions with some thunderstorms, but moving into the weekend, we will start seeing those storms going down. We won't have as much rain as we did moving into the next work week. If you're on Facebook, make sure you look us up and like us on Facebook. And if you tweet, make sure you follow us on Twitter. We want to give a special thank you to all of our sponsors.